Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 19 September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. International World Snakebite Awareness Day is observed every year on. Answer is 19 September. International Snakebite Awareness Day is observed every year on 19 September. The theme of the International Snakebite Awareness Day is Disabilities from Snakebite Envenoming. Global estimates reveal that someone is bitten by a snake every 10 seconds. Each year, nearly 5.4 million people are bitten by snakes worldwide, resulting in over 80,000 deaths. Question number 2. India has defeated which team to win the 8th Men's Asian Hockey Champions Trophy? Answer is China. The 8th Men's Asian Champions Trophy 2024 was held at Ulaanbaatar City, Inner Mongolia in People's Republic of China from 8 to 17 September 2024. The Indian men's hockey team, led by Harmanpreet Singh, defeated host China in the final to win the Men's Asian Hockey Champions Trophy for a record 5th time. In the final, Jugraj Singh scored the only winning goal of the match in the 51 minutes. Question number 3. Who has been appointed as the 8th Chief Minister of Delhi Union Territory? Answer is Atishi Malana. The ruling Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, in a meeting in New Delhi on 17 September 2024, has elected senior party leader Atishi Malana as its new chief minister after the announcement of resignation by the incumbent chief minister, Arvind Kejriwal. Atishi will be third woman after Sushma Swaraj and Sheila Dikshit, and 8th person to become the chief minister of the National Capital Territory, NCT, of Delhi. Question number 4. In which state Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Subhadra Yojana? Answer is Odisha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the Odisha government's Subhadra Yojana on the occasion of his 74th birthday on 17 September. Under the Subhadra scheme, all eligible beneficiaries between the age group of 21 to 60 years would receive 50,000 rupee over a period of 5 years between 2024 to 25 to 2028 to 29. About 1 crore women across the state will benefit from the Subhadra Yojana. Women will be given 10,000 rupees annually in 2 installments. Question number 5. Who has been appointed as head coach of the Indian national women's football team? Answer is Santosh Kashyap. All India Football Federation, AIFF, on 16 September, appointed Santosh Kashyap as the new head coach of the national senior women's team. He will replace Chauba Devi, a former international player who previously held the position. Kashyap's first assignment will be the SAFF Women's Championships to be held in Kathmandu, Nepal, from October 17th to 30th. Question number 6. Who was appointed as brand ambassador of the Union Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways? Answer is Manu Bhakar. The Union Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterway has appointed double Olympic medalist shooter Manu Bhakar as its brand ambassador. This was announced by the Union Minister for Port, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal, at the 4th Harnessing of the Nari Shakti for the Development of the Nation event held in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, on 17 September 2024 to facilitate women achievers. Question number 7. Where was the second edition of the NADA India Inclusion Conclave held? Answer is New Delhi. The second edition of the NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency, India Inclusion Conclave was held in New Delhi on 18 September 2024. The first NADA Inclusion Conclave was held in New Delhi in December 2022. The National Anti-Doping Agency, NADA, was set up on 24 November 2005 by the Government of India under the Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Question number 8. Who was appointed as Brand Ambassador of the Shriram Finance Limited? Answer is Rahul Dravid. Mumbai-based Shriram Finance Limited announced the onboarding of Rahul Sharad Dravid, former captain and head coach of the Indian cricket team, as its brand ambassador. Rahul Dravid has been honored with the Arjuna Award in 1998, Padma Shri in 2004, and Padma Bhushan in 2013. Shriram Group is an Indian conglomerate headquartered in Chennai. It was founded on 5 April 1974 by R. Tyagarajan, AVS Raja, and T. Jayaraman. Question number 9. Where has the first container school opened in a remote forest area recently? Answer is Telangana. A container school was inaugurated on 17 September in Mulugu district of Telangana. This first container school was inaugurated by Panchayat Raj and Rural Development Minister Dansari Angasuya. The container school is 25 feet wide and 25 feet long. Question number 10. Who has completed the first private spacewalk at a record-setting height? Answer is Jared Isaacman. Jared Isaacman, a billionaire entrepreneur and space enthusiast, completed the first private spacewalk as part of the Polaris Dawn mission. His crew orbited at nearly 460 miles above Earth, setting a record for the highest private spacewalk. This mission marked a significant achievement for SpaceX, emphasizing the growing role of private ventures in space exploration. Question number 11. Which country has committed $202 million in aid to Bangladesh? Answer is United States. United States is committed to provide $202.25 million in aid to Bangladesh's growth, institution building, and development. This commitment follows a $5 billion aid appeal by Bangladesh's Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus. The aid will be managed by the U.S. Agency for International Development, USAID. USAID pledged $954 million to Bangladesh for 2021 to 2026, with $425 million already disbursed. Question number 12. How many medals and medallions of excellence recently earned by India at the WorldSkills 2024 competition? Answer is 16 medals. India emerged victorious with 16 medals and medallions of excellence at the 47th WorldSkills 2024 in Lyon, France, from 10 to 15 September 2024. The Indian team won 4 bronze medals and 12 medallions of excellence, showing its growing skills on the global stage. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.